What's up? Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I got another unboxing here. Well, it's gonna be a re-unboxing because I already kind of opened it. I'm a little anxious to use it, but it is the Crescendo 1 headset audio amplifier for PlayStation 4, and this thing is really cool. I like it. Okay, so basically what it does is you got your headphone jack here on. Let me get the real thing. All right, so I know you guys might have this problem, or is it just me? Probably not. But this headphone jack right here, when you hook headphones up to it, they sell a lot of headphones in the stores where you just hook directly into this headphone jack. This 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and it is just not enough audio. Plus, you don't have any controls or anything, nothing, to turn it up, just on the fly. You got to go into your menu, turn it up or turn it down to your liking, adjust your microphone, stuff like that, or mute your microphone. Have to do that all in the settings. We all know how to do it. You hit this options button, or you hold that, this PlayStation button down here, and you go into settings and set your audio up. I don't like doing that, and it's just too quiet for me. I know I'm not totally deaf, from listening to loud music in my car, but it is just not enough audio for me. So this is where this comes in right here. This is going to be an audio amplifier, and it's got an extra battery on here to power the amplifier and give it 20 more hours of playtime, so you can play longer with your PS4. Made only for the PS4, by the way. You can see the control on there. So let's look at the box here. Pretty good box right here. Never heard of this company right here, but this is from Amazon. Now I'll give you the price. $14.99. I think it's a really good deal. Get extra battery time and amplification. So like it says, like I was saying earlier, it gives a sonic boost to your headset, okay? 20 hours, battery pack, simple controls, and they very are much simple controls. So let me go ahead and open the box here. So I packaged it all back up just for you guys. So I'm going to open it back up, show you what you get in the box. All right, get rid of that. And this is how it comes. It looks pretty cheap, but it does the job, trust me. So here's the battery right here. It came just like this. No tape or nothing around it. It's got that same texture. This is the battery, by the way. It's got that same texture that your PlayStation, why can't I say that? It's got the same texture that comes on your PlayStation controller. Okay? Got a micro USB, charging port, and I guess that's also a pass-through, because you see it comes in right here, goes through right here. Okay, seems really light. I like it. There's a power button right here, and I don't know if you can see that, but when you push that, I don't know if you can see that red light or not, but there's a little red, there you go, little red LED in there that shows that the power's on, and then it's off. That also controls, the power that you give to the amplifier, which I'm going to get into next. So let's go ahead and put this battery down. Let's get into the little amplifier. Came just like this. Like I said, no tape holding it together, no cushion or nothing like that. Okay. Volume control for your headphones. It plugs right into your, your volume jack, and the power goes in right here on the bottom. So like they said, simple controls. Here's your mute button for your mic if you don't want nobody to, talk with your girl about some nasty stuff or something like that, or she's just right next to you talking and you don't want to get embarrassed by her little conversations. Go ahead and mute your mic, but you can do that real simple control right here. Volume up and down. And here's the power right here. Very simple again. Power off. And it doesn't have a pass-through, so it doesn't go back to, normal volume when you turn it off. You just get nothing. So you got to have it on all the time if you want to get anything out of this jack. This jack supports, a lot of headphones. So what I mean by it supports a lot of headphones, you can get gaming headphones, or you can get, something as simple as a pair of, just regular buds that came with your phone or something. That includes, iPhone, well, not iPhone now, but the older headphones from iPhones, that had a 3.5 millimeter jack on them. And yeah, I plugged these in there. I had chat through the microphone and everything. That worked out just great. And that's what I got it for, so I can have very simple, block out type of an audio, experience with the PlayStation. And I wanted some amplification. So that's what this does. So let me go ahead and show it to you how it's going to hook up to the, let me get this stuff out the way. Show you how it's going to hook up to the PlayStation controller. So you got your PlayStation controller. Go ahead and take this. Go ahead and line it up with your jack right there. Get that jack lined up with that jack. Go ahead and just push it on. Fits on very well. Doesn't add a lot of bulk or a lot of weight. Feels just fine. Then you go ahead and just line up everything down here. So you got your power jack for the amplifier, just a little yellow jack down here. You got your 3.5 millimeter jack. You're going to hook into that one right there. So just line them up. It's a little hard to get them lined up. Definitely say that. But once you do get them lined up, just go ahead and give it a push. Everything's connected. Feels good in the hands, really. Really feels good. This actually is an advantage for me for gaming. I don't know. This feels a little better. Gets a little bit more bulk to it, which I kind of like. All right. So once you get that going, go ahead and push your button. See if we can get the LED light there. Okay, you see the LED light, and you also see it was coming on, but the little charging light right there was coming on, and it was charging up the controller. So what it is going to do is going to add on to what battery is inside the controller. On top of that, get 20 hours. Pretty good. Now let's talk about the audio. Okay, the audio that comes out of this is really strong. Takes away from the bass a little bit. Takes a little bit out of not out of the clarity. In fact, it really enhances the clarity. Like they say, it's sonic, and they're not lying about that. When you're not in a game and you don't have anything going on, like the little sound that's going on when you're on your on your dashboard of PlayStation, you're gonna get a little bit of hiss noise, and that comes with any kind of really small amplifiers that are like this here. You see that's on right there, and it's off. LED is off. I like the audio that comes out of it. I really do. It's really loud. The separation is pretty good. Not too much crosstalk. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but I definitely like what's coming out of it. It definitely enhances the gameplay, puts you into it, gets you more immersed into the game. I like it. And I can recommend this to anybody that wants to get a little bit of amplification out of their headphones that are going directly into the controller. Okay. Fairly cheap. It's a good fix for a problem that PlayStation's been having ever since probably PlayStation 4 has been out. They haven't addressed it. They haven't put any controls on their stuff, to do something like this. Now we got third-party people making amplifiers. Can't believe it. It's probably just a simple... So I'm not going to get into that. But I definitely do like this product. Let's go over it again. All the bulk it's going to give you. Looks fairly good. They match the color very well. Let's just take a look at that. See the texture right there? And then the texture right here. They did a good job. They matched it up really good. And if you like hooking up directly to your PlayStation without, so you get any lag on your gameplay, let's say so that you're playing any of the Call of Duty games. Yeah, just go ahead and hook your jack in there, no problem. It's kind of tight. It's a tight connection, but don't worry about it. Man, it's just really tight. But once it's in there, it's in there. It's not going to be coming out. You can hook directly to your PlayStation, get lag-free control, also charging, and it's going to charge both your controller and the battery at the same time. I think this is a really good product. I recommend it to anybody who's going to want to get that amplification, like I keep saying. All right, hitting that 10-minute mark. So I'm going to go ahead and take this just like it is. Get this box out the way. Go play some Call of Duty remastered in World War II. This is Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I'm out.